news, everyone, for DreamWorks fans. In the wake of the box office success of the Bad Guys 2, that Shrek 5, the long-awaited fifth installment of Shrek franchise, got delayed to next summer. Well, actually next year, 2027, because due to a lot of backlash of the negative backlash of the teaser trailer of Shrek 5, because this Kubrick design was not different than the first full film, and it was Bobby and Doug's decision. It was a ever decision. Look at that. Look at this dumb CGI. I mean, what the heck? This is this is the bitchiest thing I've ever seen since Sonic the Hedgehog, first trailer of Sonic the Hedgehog, live action animated movie. That that was terrible CGI, and yeah, worse than the used cats, the live action cats movie. That's pretty much for destroying that CGI like type thing. And this is god awful, but this did not. So the reason that got delayed is the reason that the untitled limitation event release run in the 8 to June 30th to April that year. Because the movie got delayed, has a lot of negative feedback about that teaser trailer of Shrek 5. So whoever watching this video, Shrek, and also Zendaya and also in the reprisal roles played Mike Myers, Eddie Murphy, and Cameron Diaz, as well as Zendaya, as or you people were watching these small port movie, Zendaya and BG, like that video, was also as a daughter of the Shrek, but unfortunately, it is pretty much self-following, and they got a lot of problems with the teaser trailer, and especially CGI. It's like, what is this? Sonic the Hedgehog movie, first movie trailer, backlash all over again? So yeah, I'm pretty good at it. I hope the Universal and DreamWorks might fix the animation and design of that mess of the Shrek 5, so we will see what happens in my review the first official trailer with better animation, so we'll see. So I can't wait to Shrek 5. It's gonna be good. I hope DreamWorks and Universal will might be good